Okay, so let me try not to butcher this name this time. Alright guys, so what's up? I'm Impulsive Tech, and today we're reviewing the, not really new, they kind of been there for a while. I've been looking at them, thinking, because they're kind of cheap. Might butcher this name. Huicnn PBT pudding keycaps. Right here. Yep. You can pick these up on Amazon for about $16. $15, $16, around that range. I lost my keycap puller. I don't want to use this one. There it is. Yeah, you can pick these up for around $16 on Amazon, and they're, for that price, to be honest, compared to other ones, they're not bad. If I would have just, let's see if I can get that to zoom in properly. So yeah, that's it right there. Yeah, really nice. So the packaging, it's not the best. I can tell you that it's not the best. So the packaging, you simply just get, what I got was a bag thrown at my face. They come in this little cardboard box, in a plastic bag, just a bunch of keys thrown in there. Compared to the normal keycaps that I get that are like plate mounted on its own, a little board to make it easier for you. It took me longer to put these keycaps on the board than it ever took me to put any other keycaps on another board, because I had to search for their actual right keys. Because if you didn't know that these keycaps, they come in standard layout, and they also come in 60% layout. So for example, the number keys up here, there are standard number keys, which are smaller keycaps that you would put on a TKO or full-size keyboard. And then they have these 60% layout, which were bigger, so that you can, I guess to make it easier to click them. Because there was a difference. There's a very big difference between the height and difference. I don't really have any complaints about these keycaps. 100, they come with, it's 106, I think it's 106, 107 maybe layout. But like I said before, they also have the 60% layout with only the 60% keys. I gave most of them away to my friend because his keyboard was kind of bland. And yeah, I put these on the Kraken keyboard because, if I'm quite frank, I did not like the fact that the red and black resembled the Matrix keyboard. That really bothered me, because that's another keyboard I have, and I just wanted this to look different. I wanted it to, have its own vibe, if that makes sense. So now that we're moving with that, I just broke my receiver. All good. We're just gonna plug this in, and we're gonna show it. So let's see if I can get this right. Okay. Okay, wow. So let me just move this. As you can see, RGB shines bright. It really does give it that floating keycap design. The only thing I have is that spacebar. That spacebar is, I'm trying to get it to so that the outside doesn't shine. It's really gloomy outside, which is kind of surprising why it's doing that. That spacebar is not very lit. Compared to the other keycaps, as you can see right there, it really does bring out the brightness of this keyboard, because if I'm quite frank, this keyboard's not bright at all. If you put black keycaps, red keycaps, any other keycaps that's colored that's not white, or a light colored, you're not going to get your RGB effect properly. It's not going to diffuse properly, and it's not going to look nice. That's one of the other main reasons I bought this, is because it didn't look nice with those keycaps. And like I said before, that gives off a really nice floating keycap design. That is really bright. That didn't fix it. It gives off a really nice floating keycap design. If I'm, let me unplug that right there. And let me show this one more time. So the reason I would say not to use this one, which is what it comes with, and just use one that you have probably lying around, like this one, which I have, is because this one scratches them, and you can already see it right there. I don't know if I can get that properly. Let's see. Right there. See that little line on my spacebar? That was from this keycap puller. It scratched it, so that's why I used this one. Hope I don't break my stabilizer. Okay. No, I'm good. But yeah, look at that. See? That was a bummer. It didn't like, you know, it didn't scratch through the alignment there to show the RGB. I don't know what the point of that is for. But it also did leave marks on the side here. It's got like little bumped ridges now, so that's a bummer. Sorry about my constant sniffling. I was outside for a bit. The weather's got me. But yeah, really nice keycaps for $16. Especially for PBI. These are PBT double shot keycaps. I don't know if I didn't even show that. Sorry about that. And it's got these. This doesn't have any warping, but as you can see right there, see that? You can see it right there. And really no warp. Oh, never mind. It's got a little bit of warping. So I can like bend it without using any force. It takes a little bit, but yeah, it's got that bend to it. Not a problem though, because you're not going to be bending your key. You're not going to be bending this when you're playing with it. No warping on it. I didn't mean to say that. I just meant it has like bending, but yeah. Aside from that, there's really no complaints. You know, the font on it's amazing. It shines brightly. Let me just show that one more time. I just can't get over how nice these keycaps are for $16. Like, really? $16? And you get a full set. Like, most of the ones that you see that are listed overpriced, you only get a certain amount of keys, which I guess would make sense because this is PBT pudding keycaps. But like I said before, just look at that. That just looks nice. Like, I can't get over that. But yeah.
Hey, Chris.
Yeah.
Can you put Charlie outside just for a minute?
My father got called. But yeah, anyways, guys, this is going to be really short. Like I said before, for $16, really nice keycaps. And I'd recommend y'all pick them up if you were looking for some budget pudding keycaps. You know, they're probably not on the high, like, you know, HyperX, you know, those kind of keycaps, which are like $24, $25, but you can pick them up for a discount sometimes. Keep that in mind. These are some really nice keycaps that are out there. And, yeah, really. But anyways, yeah, before I get stopped again, thank you all so much for watching, and hi! I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.